Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home.
Welcome to the NFT News Network, where we dive into the world of non-fungible tokens and their ever-evolving landscape. So, if you're wondering what's been brewing in the NFT market over the past year, well, buckle up because it's been a wild ride. The NFT market appears to have lost out on significant gains in 2024, despite a broader rally in the digital asset industry. Now, let's take a look at just how weak that performance was. According to Dapperdar's latest edition of DApp Industry Report. We're talking about an NFT market that faced its weakest performance since 2020. And it all started off strong, with trading volumes reaching $5 billion in the first quarter. But here's the thing, those early gains were short-lived. By the third quarter, volumes had dropped dramatically to just $1.50 billion. And then, there was a partial recovery to $2.60 billion in the fourth quarter. The volatility was quite dramatic, and it's clear that the NFT market struggled to find its footing. So, what does this tell us about the state of the NFT market? Well, for starters, we're seeing a decline in sales numbers compared to 2023, and that's likely due to rising token values like ETH. It's a classic case of supply and demand, folks, where the increasing value of these tokens has led to fewer sales. But here's an interesting twist. Despite all this turbulence, the gaming sector emerged as the dominant force in NFT sales. That's right. It seems that NFTs are playing a bigger role than ever in the gaming industry. And why is that? Well, it's because these digital assets allow for true ownership and player-driven economies. Take Blur, for example. This platform held its position as the leading NFT marketplace for most of 2024. But what really fueled its rise? Strategic airdrop campaigns and zero-fee trading policies that attracted cost-sensitive traders. Talk about a winning formula. Now, on the other side of the spectrum, we have OpenSea. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission issued a Wells notice in August 2024, raising serious concerns about unregistered securities. That's had a significant impact on the company, folks. They announced significant layoffs in November, reducing their workforce by 56%. It's clear that regulatory pressure is taking its toll. But here's a glimmer of hope. OpenSea is refocusing on OpenSea 2 to regain its competitive edge. And there are whispers about a potential token launch down the line. Let's keep our fingers crossed for their recovery, folks. And then there's Magic Eden, which outpaced OpenSea in performance this year. Initially focused on Solana, Magic Eden expanded its reach to support Ethereum, Polygon, Bitcoin, and newer networks like Base and Arbitrum. In December 2024, they launched their Me token and conducted a whopping $700 million airdrop. That's some serious momentum. So, what does it all mean? Well, the NFT market may have had one of its weakest years since 2020, but there are still plenty of opportunities to be found. The gaming sector is on the rise, and platforms like Blur and Magic Eden are leading the charge. And that's not to mention the regulatory landscape shifting, folks. OpenSea's got a second chance with OpenSea 2, and we're excited to see where it takes them. So, if you're looking for the next big thing in NFTs, keep an eye on these platforms. The NFT News Network will be keeping you informed every step of the way. Thanks for tuning in, folks.